Hi wine lovers! Today I show you this wrought iron heart made by my uncle Alessio to invite people not to lose hope and optimism during this very hard time of coronavirus. In the center of the heart you can see this rite that my cousin made to invite people to be optimistic. Andrà tutto bene in Italian means everything will be alright, and the shape of the heart reminds us to use this time to reflect on what really matters in life, like love, family and human connection. Here I show you these wrought iron giant battles, and this is a part of some work of art that my family and other generous people built to make our village more beautiful and support our local community. People can come here and admire our estate, so that they will appreciate the beauty of our terroir and feel connected to Mother Nature.